What up, YouTube? I recently got banned on TikTok, so a huge garbage bag full of Pokemon cards. We got a pack of Darkness Ablaze, green code card, Fusion Strike. We got the new code card for anyone out there. And I bet it's something good. Is it something good? I think it's something good. Oh, it is a Genesect alternate art. Holy shit, look at that bad boy. My first alternate art pull. It's a green and white code card for y'all. Reverse Hollow and a Crobat V that goes for about $15. The code card. The reverse. And garbage. Yeah. And code card for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh, I got that white code card. Here's the code card for y'all. Reverse. And something good. Oh, Eternatus VMAX. $6 card. Code card. There's the code for y'all. And we got the reverse and Pinkerton. It's a Flygon, non-hollow. Code card. There you go. We got Wigglytuff. There's the code for y'all. I don't know what I'm looking at, but probably something good. Oh! Card. Nope. There you go. White code card. There's the number for you all. Reverse and oh yeah, green code card, doesn't matter. Here you go. Yeah, white code card. There's a number. And oh wait, nope, that's the reverse. And oh, okay, we got a code card, whatever the number is. There you go. Blah blah blah. And oh, a Genesect V. We got a code card. There you go. Reverse. And code card. There's a number for y'all. Code card. Code card. Code card. Got that code card. Reverse. And something good. Oh, okay. Full art Serena V. If you're new, subscribe, or I'll eat your cookies. I'm on to you.